Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna, in case you didn't know, and these are my tips and tricks on how to dress more Parisian chic. Ever since I can remember, I have had an idea of what Parisian fashion looked like, and yes, of course, for a while it was striped shirts, red lips, and a classic jean. And it can be that, but it can also be a lot more than that. So I thought I would show you how to incorporate a little bit more French fashion, Parisian chic into your life with these tips. Tip number 1, work around the basics. French fashion is based off a strong understanding of what the base of an outfit is and accessorizing that and playing certain parts of it up. Everybody knows the white shirt, blue jeans look, and to be honest, sometimes it can be kind of boring, but French women and French people tend to do it in a way that looks effortlessly cool, effortlessly chic. So how do we get there? There's really no need to overcomplicate here. Starting with a simple base look in neutral colors will give you a lot to work with, and it'll give you a lot of variety, surprisingly. Classic examples of this would be different neutral tops such as t-shirts and tank tops matched with blue or black jeans or plaid trousers. Tip number 2, mix and match casual and dress-up pieces. Again, you're starting with a solid base and you're adding something that's a little bit more cool, such as statement jewelry or maybe a blazer. Tip number 3 is embrace androgyny. Playing with gender norms can make you find a different cool style than maybe you're used to seeing. Let's be real, androgyny has played a big role in fashion ever since I can remember. It is that super cool Kate Moss in a blazer look, or it's David Bowie wearing more feminine looks. And the thing is clothing. There is no male clothes and female clothes. As a woman, I am totally okay to wear a baggy blazer or big oversized dress shirt, and that is fine. French fashion does it very well. You can find very cool and chic looks by not dressing the way that you're supposed to. Isn't that really how fashion trends start? Breaking out of the norm. Tip number 4, imperfect is perfect. Now, what do I mean by that completely contradictory sentence? It is that your outfit doesn't need to be completely put together. In fact, if you have something a little off, it gives it that casual, effortless look. I think a great example of that is the half tuck or French tuck. It is not the prim and proper, fully tucked in look, but it still looks good. It looks effortless. It looks like you just shoved it in there. It looks like you just shoved it in there and you were ready to go. So it's okay if something is a little off kilter or less put together, or maybe you're not wearing a bra. It doesn't really matter. It's fun and it's empowering to let go a little bit and be like, okay, it's a little wrinkly here, who cares? Who cares? I still look good. Tip number 5, you can still wear color. I think you can see this very well in Sézane's collections, the way they style their models. I mean, come on. The classic French red lip, as I mentioned earlier. Pairing them with other classic timeless pieces and making sure their silhouettes will last forever is part of the reason it works so well. Someone is hammering. It's stopping now, but I hope you can't hear it, and I'm sorry if you can. It also can provide that more dressy look to a more casual outfit. For example, a pop of color purse or a brightly colored dress paired with a denim jacket or trench. Tip number 6, think timeless. Now that can be in terms of silhouettes, colors like neutrals, or in terms of things that just really fit you well. The thing about timeless pieces is that they are timeless. Yes, I know. What a great explanation, but it's true. If you are wearing a timeless piece, you know that you can get so much wear out of it and that it's gonna look good forever. And that is a key foundation when it comes to Parisian chic. Tip number 7, quality over quantity. It adds to the timeless aspect of French style, because if something is good quality, you're more likely to have it for a long time. And that way you figure out more ways to use that item and have it be very versatile. Tip number 8, ditch the athletic wear. To all my West Coast of North America friends, guys, we gotta stop with the activewear. Let's drop it. Wearing leggings, Parisian people would never. Now, of course, there are going to be ways that you can wear cool sneakers and things like that and still look Parisian chic. don't get me wrong, but if you are just starting out, opting away from things like leggings and hoodies might set you on the right path for looking a little bit more put together. So if you're just starting to dress more French, more romantic, then wearing something like blue jeans instead of leggings might really help. Tip number 9, find what works for you. Now this is a kind of broad tip, but that's because it really does range. Whether that is finding clothing that you think suits you and that you feel happy in, or finding your own personal style and ways to accessorize that add to your outfit, to your base look, and make it more interesting in a way that is not just following trends, will help in looking Parisian chic. Something the French do very well is that air of confidence. Whatever will make you confident is the best thing to wear. If there are any other aesthetics you'd like me to put together an outfit guide for, let me know. I would love to hear. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.